Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hello,
Hi, walaikum salam.
how are you?
Good, and you teach?
Okay, so today another person will be also join with us. So mainly today we also try to discuss about the Python API. Okay, so this is the first class for this person, and I also covered this part both of you. Okay, okay. Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, I am
Okay.
here.
So how are you?
I am fine, and you?
Okay, so I am fine, and welcome
Okay,
to our online training session. So I hope you can easily
yes.
understand. And here already joined my another student. So he already obtained my some JavaScript. So now they also move to the Python. So I hope, and after today's class, then we also separate two things. So this is the same class for the two of you and this student. So I will join the combined. Okay, but next time we also try to separate. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Now it is the same for the other.
Yeah. So this is the today mainly I will try to discuss about that Python Google Earth Engine API. Okay, and he also joined this API, but I did not cover this part on her side. So that's why today we also try to do this same. But after completing this, when you want to do for the BCI, TCA or other things or machine learning, then we also move to the separate. No problem. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. So I also recorded this part. Okay, can you see my screen now?
It is
Okay.
okay. It's coming. It's okay.
Okay.
Come.
So hi and welcome to the Earth Engine Python API and using the Google Colab. So basically
Okay.
this is our online training program and you want to enroll the course for the using the image processing using the Python, and we can use the different types of module for image processing using the Python. We can use the Earth Engine. If you want, you can also use the Raster.io. This is the another package. If you want, you can also use the GDAL. Okay, so in this time today I will try to discuss about the Python API. Okay, and I also give you the total 7 days online training program, and today is your first day, and in this first day I will try to discuss about the Earth Engine Python API using the Google Collaboratory, and then we also try to complete the Raster.io, then GDAL and other all of the things we also try to complete it step by step our next classes. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
So first of all, introduction to geemap. Okay, so basically this is the Python package for using the Google Earth Engine platform. When you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform using the Python programming language, then you need to use a package. This package, it's called the Python package, and this package name is that geemap or Earth Engine map. So mainly geemap is a Python package for interactive mapping with Google Earth Engine platform. And GEMAP is the intent for students or researchers who would like to utilize the Python ecosystem to diverse libraries and tools to explore Google Earth Engine. And it is also designed for the existing Google Earth Engine user who would like to transition from the Google Earth Engine JavaScript API to Python API. Okay. So mainly some person are interested to using the Google Earth Engine platform with the JavaScript API, but JavaScript API is not enough for doing the different types of deep learning model or doing for the some machine learning model is not enough. Okay, so then we also need to convert the Python API. Okay, so then we can easily use for the deep learning method or machine learning method. We can easily handle this part using the Python machine learning program. Okay, so that's why we also need to learn the Google Earth Engine platform using the Python API. In this time, here I use the geemap package. So this is the totally Python package. Okay, and installation in Google Colab. So in this time, I also try to show you that how you can easily install this package in Google Colab. Okay, so it's very easy. We can just simply use the pip for installing the package of geemap. I simply open my browser. So I simply open my browser and then simply open a new tab and then just open a. Okay, so I simply open a new tab in here. In this time, I want to just simply search here Google Collaboratory. Okay, simply search in the Google. Then we'll come to, you can see this is the first, mainly this is the code editor. We can write our code and different types of package here already installed in this Google Collaboratory. Okay, so that's why we did not write here the we don't need to install for a lot of package, because this Google Collaboratory already installed a lot of packages, lot of Python packages already installed it. Okay, so in this time I simply click on the new tab, and then it open a new tab. Okay, and this is my Google Colab code editor. We can write our code, and this you can simply write your name, your project name or other things in here. So I simply put this is the first class. I simply give the name is the first class. Okay, basically this is the code editor. We can write our code in here, and this Google Collaboratory, it is a lot of benefits, because here the already installed a lot of package, so we did not to install the package again in here. Okay, so in this time I want to check it the package of geemap is installed or not in Google Collaboratory. I want to check it, so I simply use here the import function. So mainly we can use the import function for importing any package of Python package or other things. We can use the import function. So in this time I just simply use here the geemap and then click to the run. You can see if this package is already installed, then we can see it will be run this code. Otherwise we can get some wrong. You can see I can get the error. It means that this package is not installed in my system. Okay, so in this time I want to just need to install. Okay, let's go. Now we'll install this package. So it's very easy. You can simply use here this exclamatory sign like this, and then simply use here the pip install geemap. Okay, just simply write this and then click to the run. Now you can see all of the package of geemap is installed in this system. You can see it will be installed. So it will be running now. So here you can see it will be working, and already a lot of time I work with this. So you can see it is showing the requirement already satisfied, because I already work with these packages. So you can see. Okay, so now you can see all of the packages you can see successfully installed all of the package for geemap. Okay, so now I can easily use this geemap for making the different types of image processing using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so just you can simply write in your Google Collaboratory, write this code pip install geemap, then it automatically install it. Okay, so now I want to check it if it's installed or not. I simply get a new cell, simply click here, and then I simply use here the import geemap and then click to the run. In this time you can see when I run it, I did not get any Wrong. Now you can see this code will be run because this package I already installed it in my system. Okay, so now I can easily use this package for making the different types of map or use the different types of image processing work. So in this time I simply import this. Okay, so now I simply go to my slide. So here you can see we can simply installation the geemap package in our Google Earth Engine platform. In this time I want to use this geemap package using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so that's why you also need to also add the another thing is that Earth Engine package. Okay, so you can simply use here the import EE. So here you can see in this time when I run this code I can get the result, and this EE package already installed in my Google Colab. So that's why I did not install this again, because this Earth Engine is already installed in my Google Colab. So that's why I did not install this package again. Okay, so this is the benefit for using the Google Colab. Some package you did not to install, some package you did not to add it in here because they are already satisfied. Okay, okay, in this time I hope you are already created your Google Earth Engine account. Yeah, did you complete this part for creating the Google Earth Engine account using the JavaScript API? Did you complete this part? Can you hear me? Okay, so did you complete this part and make and registration with Google Earth Engine platform already? Like this you can see, because this is our code editor and this is the main Google Earth Engine platform. So I hope you are already complete this part. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so when you want to use the Python API, you must be already, you need to install the Google Earth Engine main their own registration. You need to register, otherwise you did not use the Earth Engine in here. Okay, so you also need to registration, complete this part registration in Google Earth Engine platform, then you need to move in here, otherwise it's not work. Okay, so in this time I hope already you complete this part. So in this time I want to just use here. So in this time you can see I simply import the Earth Engine module in my here. Okay, so in this time I want to use here, just use here the EE dot authenticate. I simply write this because in this time it will be verified with my Earth Engine account, which account I already created. So now it will be verified. Okay, so when I run this code you can see it generate a link. It generate a link like this. You can see I simply click on this link. Now it open my Earth Engine account. You can see, and I simply generate the token. You can see generate the token. Simply click to the generate the token, and then it also sign in with my, you can see this is my email address, which email address I want to use for making the Earth Engine account. Okay, I simply click to here, and then it will be provide me a code. Okay, so this actually, this is, I simply click to the continue. Actually this is the verification code of Earth Engine. I simply click to the allow, also click to the allow, and then click to the continue. So now you can see it provide me a link, authorization code. I simply copy this, and then I just simply go to here. You can see enter the verification code. I just paste this code in here. After this I simply click on the enter. So now this is the, you can see successfully saved the authorization token. So now this token is successfully verified with my system. Okay, so now you can see we can use the another thing is that we also need to use here the code ee dot initialize. I simply use this and then click the run. So I simply take a new code cell. Okay, then I simply use here the ee dot initialize. Okay, and then click the run. In this time, it's finally added, or now this system, now this ready. Now this system is the ready for making the Google Earth Engine platform using the geemap package, and in this time we use the Python API code editor. Okay, so I simply go to my slide. So we complete our installation process in Google Earth Engine platform using the geemap. Okay, let's go. In this time, I want to discuss about that how you can easily import the libraries. We already covered this part. We need to import the library. First, we need to import the geemap. So this library we need to import. We also need to import the Earth Engine. This library we also need to import. And then we also need to use here we need to verification code with our Earth Engine account. We already complete this part. And we also need to use here the initialize. So we import the libraries. All of the libraries we already import. And then we also need to create the interactive map. Suppose in this time, I want to create a map using this geemap. Okay. So let's go how we can easily make the map. So it's very easy. We can easily make the map. So I simply go to my code editor. So I simply go to my code editor. And you can see in this time I want to add a map. So I simply click on here. Okay. And then I simply take a variable. Suppose I take the variable. So I take the variable name is the map. In this time I call my package name. My package is that GEE map. Okay. In this time I want to create the map. So that's why I simply use here the geemap.map. So mainly this is the package library. We can use this library for creating the map. Okay, so I simply use here and then I simply just click to the run. You can see this code will be running, but I did not show the map in here. Okay, I can easily show this. I can just simply write here the map again. This variable I simply call again. In this time I simply click the run. You can see a new map will be added here. This is the world map. Okay, so this is the default map we can get here. You can see we can get the map, and now we can easily use the any remote sensing work or anything we can easily do using this map. Okay, so let's go. In this time, suppose I want to focus or I want to center focusing any specific coordinate. Suppose I want to focusing the Bangladesh coordinate. Okay, so that's why we need to use here the Bangladesh latitude and longitude. So I simply search the Google and try to find out the Bangladesh lat long or Bangladesh coordinate of longitude and latitude, the value. You can see this is the value for the latitude and longitude of Bangladesh. Okay, so I want to, in this time, you can see this map is showing the whole world. But in this time, I want to focusing, I want to center focusing on this Bangladesh coordinate. I want to focus in the center of the Bangladesh coordinate. Okay, so for this I just simply use a function. This function is the center. Okay, I use at the center and then I simply copy this Bangladesh latitude. I just simply copy the value for the latitude, as well as I also just paste here. I simply paste here this value. Okay, latitude, and I also copy the longitude. This is my longitude. I simply copy the longitude and then I paste in here. Okay, and we also need to add here the another things. We need to add here this thing is that zoom level. Okay, so I want simply use here the parenthesis between this longitude and latitude, and then I need to simply use here the another thing is that zoom. So I simply use here the zoom is that, suppose I simply use here the zoom level. I said the zoom level is that suppose 8. Okay, and then I simply click to the run. So now we can see it focusing. This map is the center focusing of Bangladesh region. You can see. Okay, you can see now it will be focusing the Bangladesh region. Okay, so this is the process how you can easily add the map using the Google Earth Engine map. And if you want, you can also use here the different types of base map. Okay, so now I also try to discuss about that, how you can easily use the different types of base map. Suppose if you want, you can use the hybrid map. If you want, you can use the satellite map. If you want, you can use the topographic map. Lot of base map is available for the geemap package. Okay, so let's go. So I simply take a new code editor, and now in this time I show you that how you can easily showing the different types of base map. Okay, so it's very easy. Suppose okay, so I simply take a variable map, and then I simply call my map package geemap dot map. In this time I use here a function. It's called the base map. Okay, and then I simply use here a base map. Suppose I want to add here the hybrid map or open topographic map. Okay, so it's very easy. So I simply use here the suppose open topo map. Okay, I use here the open topo map, and when I click the run, you can see it will be work, but I did not say the map. In this time I also need to copy the variable name again. I simply use here the map and then click to the run. So now you can see this map. It display the map for the topographic map. We can see this is the topographic map of the whole world. Okay, suppose I want to need for the another map. Suppose I want to add here this another map is that suppose I want to use a terrain map. So I simply use here the terrain. I simply use here the terrain TE. So this is the uppercase TERRAIN terrain. When I click, I can get the terrain map. You can see. Okay, so this is terrain map, and default map is the terrain. Okay, so now you can see we can easily add the different types of base map. Suppose I want to add here the satellite map. So I simply use here the satellite SA, then TELLITE, then click to the run. So now you can see it will be provide me the satellite map. You can see this is a satellite map. It also provide. Now we can get the satellite map from, and this map I want to get from the geemap package. Okay, so we can use here the any map package or get in this time. Suppose I want to call all of the base map which is available in the geemap package. I want to call all of the base. Map. Okay, so it's very easy. So I simply write a code. Okay, so I simply write the code is that for all of the base map, I simply use here the loop function. So I simply use here the for function, and then I simply take a variable base map. You can use any variable. Now I use the base map in geemap dot base maps. Then I simply use here the keys. Okay, and then I simply use here the colon sign, and after this I just print this base map. So now you can see all of the base map. You can easily identify which base map is available in the geemap package. Okay, I simply click to the run. So now you can see all of the base map. You can see all of the base map. There are a lot of base map you can see. Okay, so there are a lot of base map we can easily get from here. Okay, so you can simply copy the name from here, and you can easily use this base map. You can see history under Tika base map. Okay, history under tick imagery. Lot of base map will be available here. You can see the road map, open street map. Okay, suppose I want to use the open street map. I simply copy this name. I just simply copy, and then I simply use here the open street map. Okay, and then click to the run. So now you can see it will be provide you the OpenStreetMap. Okay, you can see this is the OpenStreetMap we can get from here. Okay, so we can use the different types of GEMap package for using the different types of base map in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so I hope you can easily understand, and when you face any problem or any doubt, you can just question me. I will try to answer all of the question. Okay, so now you can see we can easily get all of the things in here. Okay, so okay, so in this time I simply go to my slide. In this time, suppose you create an interactive map. We can use here the different types of base map. You can see we can use the open topographic map, hybrid map, satellite map, train map. Okay, we can easily add. And if you want, you can also add the different types of Earth Engine data set. Okay, and we already know about that. Google Earth Engine has a lot of data set. You can easily get all of the data set from here. I simply open this link from the Earth Engine. You can see when I use the browse data catalog, it will be open a lot of data set in Google Earth Engine platform, and you can easily use all of the data set in your GEMap package for using the Google Earth Engine platform. Here you can see there is a lot of data set: climate, weather data, then surface temperature data, climate data, then atmospheric data, weather data, imagery, different types of satellite imagery. Easily use the different types of data import in our code editor, and we can easily work with this. Okay, so in this time I will try to show you that how you can easily work with the different types of data set. Okay, so let's go. We also try to discuss about this, how you can easily import the different types of data set and how you can easily work with the different types of data sets in the Google Colab. Okay, using the GEMap or Python package. Okay, so in the meantime, if you have any question or any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will continue. Any question or any doubt? Anyone? Any question?
No, it's clear for
Okay.
me.
Okay. So when you face any problem, just let me know. Then we also discuss about this so that you can easily understand all of the things. Okay. Okay. So in this time, I just try to show you that how we can easily import the different types of data set. It can be Sentinel, it can be different types of data set. How you can easily import in Google Earth Engine Python package and work with this. I hope you can easily understand all of the things. So I simply try to show you all of the things.